So it's 7:20 in the morning. I've been awake all night cleaning the 251 out everywhere, in the flywheel, behind the sprocket, everywhere. So I thought whilst I'm at it, I might as well attempt to do the muffler upgrade on the ms170. So open up your exhaust slots there a bit, and just using a 8mm socket, get these two bolts out. And then once I've got these two bolts out, I'm going to be using a Dremel with a flex shaft and a cutting disc on it to open up the baffles inside. I want a better camera angle there so you can see what I'm doing a bit better. Always good to have a little parts tray handy, and that comes out. I've watched the video, I can't remember who did it. Can't remember the name of the channel, but I'll try and remember for the next video so I can tell you. So he opened this up anyway, and inside there's not loads of baffles around the edge restricting the airflow, so the only thing that's restricting the airflow is this. So cut that out there to make them small little holes bigger. So then when that goes over them holes, we just need to open up the exhaust to just let more airflow through, so makes it more powerful or cut faster or whatever. Anyway, maybe a more. So that's what I'm going to do. So we've got our muffler in the vise, Dremel and the cutting disc ready to go. And another little tip is, when you're using your Dremel and you're cutting metal, if metal gets too hot, then it weakens. So it's always better to try and keep your disc moving along so you're not getting one spot too hot. Reducing the rigidity of the metal and that, and the structural integrity of your muffler. So around here you make it too hot, it's soft, it's weak here, start denting or whatever anyway. So just keep that moving. Another good tip. Goggles, mask, metal, dust doesn't taste nice. It's not going to be good for your lungs. Get comfy. So there's our first cut. Oh, that's a bit warm. That's that done. And then I reckon I'll just smooth that out. So I've got the quick change attachment on there.
All we're doing is just smoothing over that sharp edge there. And that's that part done. Obviously we've got to clean it out. I watched the guy I watched
bend them out with a screwdriver, but I reckon I'm going to put a little slit in them first because he had a bit of a hard time getting it back on there and bending it and messing about on that. So I'm going to just cut a little line just so they bend out easier to not bend the actual shape.
so
That should let some more flow through them, but I haven't had to bend it in. So I'm just going to do the same with that. Smooth down the sharp edges that are inside or from the cutting. I'm stopping my finger with sanding stone. I'm hoping it should just slot back on and we haven't misshaped it too much. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Solid. Solid. So all the space that had to come out of there was them little holes before, a few little holes, now it's massive hole. Exhaust has got more airflow, and then I'm just gonna get all the bits of metal out of here. But my thinking is it's the exhaust anyway, so it's not going to go back through the engine, is it? But I will give it a little clean contact cleaning out. So all I've done is just attach 2 bolts back on. See how loud it is.